I never thought without leave to make a song, but now it happens despite myself to lay bare the thought that in my heart can find no room to spare. So much has she given me to whom I belong.
So I begin
in the woeful lover's way,
and if my song
is not full of love's array,
let none blame off,
but love and mercy's decree.
for if they wish to keep good faith with me,
My lady would not show herself so strange a fashion.
fashion, fashion.
Scarcely I know what's ill or good among so many griefs, so full of carelessness I fare. For if I wholly from love should fall to despair, I'd not for that escape out of its prison strong.
What shall I do then? Suffer heavy and gray,
And wait until the season comes my way,
when me unloved by suffering find mercy's key.
and I'll not say if nothing else avails for me, at least let my lady to me remain in some fashion.
Ah, pure love with so small a recompense you wrong.
My heart that you could keep in great joy's care,
If only you'd let her whom I love be aware
of with what good will I to her abandon all along. And if in this you'll not,
even for my good sake, obey
at least let you not show her,
who you are today.
but go not there without bringing mercy as your plea.
For then shall be gathered every good that be,
And they'll abound though someone may lack their ration.
for my harm, love, I think I stir a strife not strong. The more I tell you, go, my lady, to see.
Forever I see her without you worth such degree,
That I think nevermore she'll hear my reasoned tongue.
once she has made her body,
With some joy's display,
for her beauty makes me so,
full of doubt always.
that humility, courtesy, and mercy, self, all three.
And you yourself I almost disbelieve you see.
Lest pride should give you place within her habitation, but nonetheless I summon you ere long, that in her service you deign to keep me free.
And if it please her,
Let any pleasure fall to me,
let her remember, yes, and let no be gone.
and if I am a fool, let her not make my joys decay.
Let mercy give me back
What reason takes away, for if I cannot with her find mercy's plea,
whom I love and wish and desire more than all that be.
I know not to whom to go to make my lamentation.
To foolish counsel go now, song straightway, and tell him that I find no mercy here today.
With new joy, if ill habit shelter not my cause, to whom I turn, since he wins me with such gentle law.